Hello. Today, I will going to show you how you can convert text to speech, also known as TTS. Today, I am going to use one method. This apps are free installed on Windows 10. To get Microsoft Office for free, head to the website office.com. Sign up if you have an account or log in. You can enjoy the latest version of Office 365. But we can't save the file in MP3 on OneNote. The thing we can do is record it using the voice recorder. But before we have to open that app, we have to make a change in the settings. We have to change the input to system sound, because the reading also is related to system sound. If we keep it like normal, it will capture your microphone only. We don't want that. To get Microsoft Office for free, head to the website office.com. Sign up if you have an account or log in. You can enjoy the latest version of Office 365.